If the sum of 7.5 and 8.1 is decreased by 21.8, what is the result? So first we have the sum of these two positive numbers. So we write them in parentheses. We have 7.5 plus 8.1. Why I put these two numbers in parentheses? Because we have the sum. So sum of these two numbers is decreased. So we have to subtract 21.8. So this is equal. First, we have to do operation in parentheses. So we have to add 7.5 and 8.1. We add tens to tens, copy decimal point, and 1 add ones. So 5 plus 1 is 6, copy decimal point, 7 plus 8 is 15. So we have 15.6 minus 21.8. Now we have subtraction. First number is smaller than the second. To subtract rational numbers, you use the same rule like for subtracting integers. So we copy first number, we change subtraction to addition of opposite. Opposite to 21.8 is negative 21.8. So this is equal. Now we have one positive, one negative number. Addition. We use the same rule like for adding integers. So first we check which of these two numbers is greater. We forgot about negative sign. We compare the numbers. 15.6, 21.8. 21 is greater than 15. So we check next the sign before the greater number is negative. So we copy this negative sign and in parentheses we subtract from the greater number smaller. So this is equal. Negative sign we have to copy and we have to do subtraction. 21.8 minus 15.6. We have to keep in the same columns. Tens, ones, tens. 8 minus 6 is 2. Decimal point we copy. We have 21 minus 15. So it's 6, or we can borrow from 2, 1. So it will be 11 minus 5 is 6. So we see we get the same. You can subtract 21 minus 15, or you can do step by step. 1 minus 1 is 0, you don't have to write. So the result will be negative 6.2.